If your LG Smart TV is not turning on and you notice that the red light at the bottom over here is just blinking or flashing whenever you try to turn it on, either using the power button or the remote control, in this video I am going to give you 3 solutions that would definitely help you fix the issue of your LG Smart TV not turning on and the red light over here blinking several times. And trust me, one of the 3 solutions I am going to offer in this particular video will definitely work out for you. Now, first things first, you want to go ahead and unplug your TV from the wall socket. Now, trust me, this is absolutely different from turning it off using the power button or using your remote control. Just go ahead and unplug it from the wall socket, and then you want to go ahead and wait for about 5 seconds. So unplug and wait for 5 seconds, and after the 5 seconds you want to come back to your LG Smart TV and then go ahead and look for the power button that is usually below the LG logo over here on your LG Smart TV. Now, in some models of LG Smart TVs, you might actually find it on the right hand side or on the left hand side of your LG Smart TV. So just go ahead and look for the power button. It is usually just below the LG logo over here. And once you find it, you want to go ahead and long press on that particular button for about 5 seconds. So press and hold for 5 seconds, just like so. Now, basically what this will do is that if there is actually any power surge that is basically stopping the LG Smart TV from turning on, it is going to release the TV of any power surge and make it restart by itself. So just go ahead and press and hold for 5 seconds, and after the 5 seconds you want to go ahead and let go. But then before you go back to plug your TV to the wall socket again, you want to make sure that you wait for about 5 minutes, and after the 5 minutes go ahead and plug back the TV to the wall socket again. Now finally, you want to come back to your LG Smart TV and then go ahead and turn on the TV using the power button on the body of the TV. Now the reason is basically because if you use the remote control, if the issue is actually from the remote control, then the TV will not turn on. So go ahead and make sure that you use the power button just below the LG logo on your LG Smart TV, or you can just check the right hand side or the left hand side depending on the model you're using. So go ahead and press it and then try and see if your LG Smart TV will be turned on. Now, if that does not work out, another solution you want to try is to go over to the back of your TV and then you want to go ahead and unplug every other cable that is connected to the TV except the power cable. Now, sometimes issues like this can actually be caused by damaged cables from other maybe HDMI devices or antenna devices that is being connected to the TV. So you want to make sure that you unplug all of those devices and make sure that you have only the power cable plugged into the TV. Now, after unplugging all of the cables on your LG Smart TV, go ahead and unplug the TV from the wall socket and then plug it back after 5 minutes again. Now, trust me, this will most likely fix the issue for you as well because it is common amongst most LG Smart TV. Now, finally, if the second solution does not work out for you, then your problem might just be a hardware problem with your LG Smart TV. And instead of encouraging you to go ahead and loosen the TV and try to fix the panel of the TV, I strongly recommend that you take it to the LG service center that is closest to you for them to look at it, or you can just take it to any technician that you know that is actually vast with the knowledge of fixing LG Smart TVs like these. That'll be all on today's video, guys. If any of the solution in this particular video helped you to fix the issue of LG Smart TV not turning on and the red lights over here blinking on your TV, make sure you like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below to let me know.